How can you promote your freelance services and get more clients by simply creating YouTube videos and without having a large following? You'll find out right now. Hi, I'm Lydia. If you don't know, on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business, freelancing, and web design. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe down below. So the first thing you need to do in order to help people find your videos and be interested in your content enough to be interested in your services as well is to research video topics that people will be interested in and that will help them with their problem, but while also giving them space for another solution, which would be in your service. For example, let's pretend you're a social media manager or a website designer and you want to offer those services for people. You want to create YouTube videos around those topics for people that want to know more about web design or social media, how to grow their business with social media. For example, as a web designer, you can create videos about how to set up your website with WordPress, how to start a WordPress website, and people, when they would want to watch those videos, if they find it hard or if they just don't have the time to do this, they will see your expertise and want to hire you. So you want to research video topics that people are already searching for, but leave space for the person to also require your service. So give a small solution in the video, but give a bigger solution for their problem in the service you are providing. The next thing you need to do is to optimize your videos for SEO, create good content that will actually help people with their issues, and also be consistent with your upload schedule. Even if you don't have big numbers on YouTube, it will still help you out in finding clients, but you also need your videos to reach people. So how do you do that? You create good content and you promote it within YouTube. You do really good SEO, you research video topics and keywords that you need to be using in your video title and description. If you want to learn more about marketing on YouTube and getting your videos ranked in search so more people can find you and require your services, you can check out Lydia's channel strategy. It is my new channel in which I talk all about YouTube marketing, growing on YouTube, making money on YouTube with or without AdSense. So make sure to check that out. The next thing, once people find your videos, you want to make sure that you mention your services often. So mention it in relevant videos that you offer those services in the beginning, middle, or the end of the video. Make sure to always mention and always tell people that I am a freelancer, this is what I do for a living, I offer these services for you. Mention that you've worked for other clients. Try and bring it up as much as you can, because this is the only way that people will be aware that you're offering those services. Also, point to links in the description where people can find your services. Write it down in the channel description, in the video's description, and also make it a point of proving that you are a freelancer with your videos as well and your content. For example, as a Pinterest VA, I created videos on how to become a Pinterest VA, but I've also created videos on how I manage a client's Pinterest account, such as this one. And this led people to understanding, hey, this is how she actually does her job. I saw it in action, so now I trust her more. So try and think of creative content ideas that will make people even more interested in your services. Prove that you know what you're talking about. Position yourself as an expert in the area that you are offering services in. So always try and share as much information as you can and share what your knowledge is, and that will make people interested in your services. If you're wondering why am I teaching this, it is because I've made money with my YouTube channel for selling my services before I even got monetized on YouTube. So I don't think I even had 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I have made clients for selling my services. So you can try doing this, especially if you have a niche channel and it will be all about that. You will find it really easy to promote your services and sell your services if you do these things. So make sure to really offer value to people in your videos. Even if they won't all want your service, give space to people to find the solution to their problem in your video, and if they want to contact you for your services, they will require that. But don't only make videos in which you tell people, hey, this is me, this is what I offer, this is the solution, but I'm not giving it to you in this video because you need to purchase my service. Don't do that. Offer value in your free content as well, and they will also be interested in your paid alternative. To actually get the clients, make sure to always answer the comments, reply to your DMs on your Instagram account, in your Facebook page. And even if people only have a few questions they want to ask, make sure to respond to them and to try and help them as much as you can. And if you cannot offer the solution through messages or anything else, lead them to your service. Tell them, this is how I can help. Unfortunately, at this time, I'm not able to help you without this paid service of mine. So make sure to check that out and let me know if you have any questions. Another really important thing you want to do for your freelance business is to set up your website to receive clients. You can create landing pages for your services, each and every one of your services, to let people know what your rates are, what you're offering, your previous work such as a portfolio, your client testimonials if you have any, and most importantly, to give them a way to contact you. So make sure to ensure that you can be contacted easily by placing a form on your website. If you want to learn how, you can watch this video right here. And also, again, reply fast to their emails, to their messages, ask for any more information you need from them before sending them an invoice and them becoming your clients and starting working together. When you do respond to them, make sure to respond professionally. If you don't understand something that they're saying, make sure to clarify it. More freelancing advice videos are coming up, so make sure to subscribe if you're interested in these topics or if you're interested in growing your online business with social media. So that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helped you out in understanding how you can use YouTube to get clients for your freelance services. This also applies to creating content on any platform such as Pinterest, but for that you will need to create blog posts. We're going to talk more about that in more videos, but stay tuned for those videos by subscribing and pressing the notifications bell. You can also follow me on Instagram right here, and I will see you in my next video.